The pump nozzle pressurizes the water as it leaves the pump and flows into the hose. The plastic nozzle can become clogged by corrosion over time. It can be easily damaged if you try to clean it out with something metal, such as a piece of wire. Replacing the pump nozzle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old pump nozzle from the pump housing. I'll unscrew the nozzle from the housing. Now I can install the new nozzle. The nozzle comes with 2 new O-rings. I'll apply some silicone grease to each of the O-rings and then install them onto the nozzle. And now it's ready to be installed onto the pump. And that's how easy it is to install a new pump nozzle on your pressure washer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.